How to check your Temu purchase history. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the U page. Once you're in the U page, here you're going to find different options. Click on the option of your orders. Now in this page, you're going to find all of your orders. Likewise, click on the option of processing. Here you're going to find the items that are in the process to be shipped. Click on the option of shipped. Here you're going to find the items that you have received through shipping method. Click on the option of delivered. Here you're going to find all the items that you have already received. Now click on the option of returns. Here you're going to find the items that you have returned to the Temu. Now to check your purchase history, you have to click on the option of delivered. In this section, you're going to find only items that you have received. Likewise, if you are searching for a specific item, click on the option of self-service to find order. Different options will appear. Using any of these options, you can easily find your specific item, phone number, email address, order ID or payment information. Just click on the option and provide the details and you will be able to find the order. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily check your Temu purchase history. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.